Do you want to conserve printer paper? You can easily print on both sides of your paper with Word. Find out if your printer supports double-sided printing. From the Print window, look for an option that specifies double-sided, two-sided, or duplex printing. You can also check the manual that came with your printer. Go to File and click Print. Click the drop-down and select Print on both sides. If you don't see this option, your printer does not have the functionality to print double-sided automatically. You can still manually print on both sides of your papers. Select Manually Print on both sides. Your printer will print a page and then give you instructions to reinsert the page again. Manually reinserting pages to be printed on both sides requires you to know how your paper feeder functions. Many printers require the pages to be faced up to print two-sided, and others need them to be faced down. They may also need to be reordered. Do several sample pages to understand how your printer feed operates before you reinsert the odd-numbered pages. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.